Welcome back to the CSC Garage. In this episode, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install a limo tint windscreen on your RX3. Let's get started. We're ready to get started by removing the windscreen. So I'm going to take two tools to do this job, 10mm wrench and a 5mm Allen. We're going to reuse our hardware, including these hat washers. So we're going to have to pull each of those out, and also the rubber grommet. And then we can install those in the new windscreen. And now that we have the hat washers and the grommets installed on our new windscreen, we're ready to put that on the bike. We'll go ahead and reuse the hardware. And now we just need to tighten all of these up. Thanks for joining us once again here at the CSC Garage. I enjoyed showing you just how easy it is to add a custom windscreen to your RX3. All of these aftermarket parts and OEM parts can be found through the link below to our website. Be sure to join back for more episodes, more accessories, more builds, and until next time, enjoy the ride.